Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are not yet a subscriber, I really don't know what you are waiting for. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I bring you celebrity gossip each and every day. Guys, this is Tammy. For those who don't know, this is Utami. He was on Married at First Sight Mzansi. So in the recent video, I posted Unkululeko, who was also on Married at First Sight Mzansi, which is a show that played on Netflix. So Utami, he was paired with Uzitobile. They, as the name says itself, it's Married at First Sight. So you guys are just getting married. You don't know this person. They were paired and things didn't work out for them. They were always fighting, and having arguments. And then after the show, they didn't continue with their relationship. So now Utami has a new person in his life, and they seem to be very serious. They are getting married, even in on his videos on TikTok. He is referring to that person as my wife. So I guess maybe they are engaged, engaged to be married. I guess this is the wife to be. So in this video, they were just explaining how they met and all of that. And man, it's such a beautiful love story. You know, they met during auditions. They were doing auditions. I don't know for what, but they were doing auditions, and then Ukiel Uti, she went to Utami to greet because he was already famous because of the show. He was famous, and then they started going on dates and all of that, and then they started hitting it off. People in the comment section were saying, "Guti, this is not gonna work. This girl is a fan. So kahle kahle uzishelele girl, this is not gonna work. She is the one that went to Utami, not the other way around. She is just a fan, nje, so it's not gonna work." But I really don't know, guys. Who are we to judge? You know? And on Tammy's profile on TikTok, this is the poster that he posted. The name of the lady is Kamohelo Letsie and Utami Nyandeni. They are going to get married in August, guys, 2026. They are going to get married. So I think they are engaged for now, or maybe he is planning to pay lobola and all of that, but they are tying the knot. Nje. So I just wish them all the best. And it's like, Yazin, it's nice. It's nice that at least they found love, even though it didn't work out with the people that they were paired with, but they managed to find love because Utami, he is such a lover boy. He is such a lover boy. He has been on Date My Family trying to look for the right partner. But nje sana mawunebhadi unebhadi. And people used to say ukuthi Utami doesn't like Uzithobile. Guys, sometimes people are just not meant to be with each other. That's it. And it's okay. People are allowed to move on with their lives and find the person that they think they want to be with. So let us not judge early. Let's just wait for him nje, to be happy man in his marriage.